In the weather office, Miri's always razzing us that we're always looking for snow somewhere.
What's the old saying? Be careful what you wish for.
I think so, because now it looks like we're going to get walloped.
Yeah, we got a lot to talk about here. So you're going to kick us off here, and I'll take us into it.
All right, let's show you where it is right now, the storm as it's beginning to develop. No threat anything tonight. Even tomorrow morning, things are looking pretty good. What we're concerned about is still way off to our south and west. It's a storm system that's really on path, on track. It's not showing any signs of veering from what we thought. Low pressure has dropped down now into North Texas, about to move into northern Louisiana. They're actually picking up a lot of nasty weather down here in the form of severe thunderstorms and tornado threats down along the Gulf Coast. So that shows you how strong this system is. It's going to race to the east and northeast. Once it reaches the Carolina coast, it moves up the eastern seaboard. And that's when the fun or the problems begin. Either way you want to look at it. It's going to dump a bunch of snow on us beginning Friday night, continuing into the day Saturday. We're still looking at 12 to 24 inches around the Baltimore metro area and maybe up to 3 feet of snow in the Blue Ridge Mountains of northern Virginia by the time this winds down early on Sunday morning. Now, snow is only one part of this system. The reason we're under a blizzard warning, well, Tony Pan's going to explain that.
Yeah, here's the interesting part of it. A blizzard actually has nothing to do with the amount of snow. Go figure, right? You can have a blizzard when there's 2 inches of snow. It all has to do with the wind and the visibility, and I'll explain that in a moment. But we are under a blizzard warning now from Friday evening until 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday for the Baltimore metro area, and that's because we do expect winds to be gusting over 40 miles per hour. So what's the exact definition of a blizzard? You have to have wind gusts of at least 35 miles per hour or steady winds of 35 miles per hour, and you have to have the visibility drop at least at one point during the day down to a quarter mile due to blowing and the drifting of the snow. So those are the only two criteria you have to meet to have a blizzard. Again, 2 inches of snow, 20 inches of snow, it doesn't make any difference. The criteria is because of the wind. So are we going to meet that criteria? Probably. This is our InstaWeather Futurecast for wind gusts at 5 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. You can see winds gusting along the bay. 50, 55 miles per hour, lesser amounts once you get inland, but still I think the winds are going to be gusting over 40 miles per hour on Saturday morning. They may die down a little bit as we head into the evening, but this is our InstaWeather Futurecast for 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Still winds gusting above that 35 mile per hour mark. It's interesting to note that the last time that we had a blizzard or a storm that was technically called a blizzard was in February of 2010, and I'm sure all of you remember that winter, 2009, 2010.